Hey guys! So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my monthly favorites. These are going to be all my favorites for the month of August. I'm so sorry that this video is so late, you guys. I've just still been getting back into the swing of things at home. I was so busy getting ready for school and doing all that good stuff as soon as I got home. I've been fixing up a lot of things in my house lately, so things have just been hectic. But now I'm getting right back into it. Sorry, I didn't address this before. I have blue hair right now. No, it is not real. I wish it was real. I would love to have hair like this, but I am too lazy as to do the upkeep for hair like this. So I love wearing wigs. I used to wear wigs all the freaking time, and I want to start doing that again. But anyway, getting off track. ADD brain, that's just how my mind works. I'm so excited to do Halloween tutorials for you guys. I bought so many fun new wigs for so many tutorials I'm gonna do. Be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see all the tutorials I'm about to have coming up. I'm gonna have so many different Halloween looks this year. Last year I was going to, and unfortunately my freaking camera decided to fall over and break of Friday the 13th of last year. So, life. But anyway, for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys all my favorites for the month of August. I didn't have one for the month of July because I was in Greece at the time. So today, thank God, I'm probably gonna have more products to actually show you guys than I usually do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my favorites. I'm going to start with the Elomar Cosmetics palette. You guys. This was the only palette I brought with me to Greece. There's so many cool looks you can do with this palette. I did a tutorial using this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and list it right up here if you guys want to go and check that out. It's just some full in-depth review and tutorial on the palette, but oh my god, you guys, so many different looks you can do with this palette. It's actually insane. It is the palette that I have on my eyes right now. When I say so blendable, so creamy, so pigmented, these shadows are just so freaking outstanding. This freaking gorgeous purpley magenta shade right here literally speaks to my soul. You guys have no idea. It is freaking beautiful and just blends out like a dream, as do all the other shadows. Highly recommend this palette. You guys need to check it out. The next product I have to show you guys is a brush that I have been using non-stop to contour and bronze. I think it makes my bronzer look so freaking good. It is the Luxie 522 brush. I think normally it's used as a highlighter brush because that's what it says on here, but I have been using it to contour and bronze up my face, and you guys, it blends it out so freaking beautifully. It's so soft. It's so comfortable. Instantly fell in love with it. I feel like my bronzer just looks extra pretty when I use this brush. I could be using a totally shitty bronzer, but this brush makes every bronzer look so good. I honestly love it so much. Highly recommend this brush. So freaking good. Alright, you guys, the next favorite I have to show you guys are actually the lashes that I am currently wearing right now. I don't always like to wear lashes, but whenever I do, I've been wearing these so much. They are the Baddington lashes in the style, what style are you? Monroe. The Monroe 3D Silk lashes. They're freaking beautiful. They're very comfortable on the eyes as well. I've just been loving them so much recently. I've been trying to get more into lashes just because I like the way my eyes look a lot more when I wear lashes, because my eyelashes just look so long and lengthy and pretty and like a butterfly, like I could just fly away. But yeah, whenever I have been wearing lashes though, these are the ones I've been reaching for. My next favorite of this month for you guys has actually been the product that has shocked me the most. I did not expect to love this product as much as I do. Every single time I apply my concealer now or I set down my concealer, this is the only thing I use. This is from the brand Juno & Co. It is their Velvet Touch Sponge. It's very dirty right now. Let's just get that out of the way. It's dirty. I need to clean it. I need to buy a new brush cleaner. I actually did a review on this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that right up there if you guys want to check that out. It makes your concealer look so freaking flawless, as well as your foundation. It just makes everything look airbrush. It's so nuts. I compared it with a beauty blender in that tutorial as well, and I was blown away by the results of this. Not to mention the fact that this thing is only $6. That is freaking crazy. I cannot get over that. $6 for this thing, and it does an incredible job of applying concealer and foundation, as well as cream bronzers, cream highlights. This does an incredible job. It also does such an incredible job of setting down powders. Like I said, I have a more in-depth review on this product, but oh my god, this has been the only thing I've been using on my face. I'm freaking obsessed. Alright, the rest of the favorites that I have to show you guys are all lip products. So, alright, so my first favorite I'm going to show you guys is this Buxom lip pencil. It is in the shade Incognito. Oh my god, this color. This color is so freaking beautiful. It's nude with maybe a little tiny hint of pink. This is one of the only lip liners I was using when I was in Greece. It's just so freaking beautiful. I love the formula of these lip liners as well. The Buxom lip liners are my favorite lip liners, so I knew I was gonna love this one as soon as I saw it. I've been waiting for them to send me a nude lip liner, and oh, they did not disappoint. I'm so happy with this one, you guys. It's just so freaking pretty. The liquid lip that I have on my lips right now that is also in this favorites video for you guys is the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Veronica. Oh, this color just speaks to my soul, you guys. It is like that perfect 90s brownish nude. Oh, I love this formula. It's so comfortable to wear. I feel like my lips just look so much prettier in this color. I just love this color so much, you guys. I know this is gonna be one of my main fall colors because just look at how freaking beautiful this color is. If you guys love cool tone brown nudes, you guys need this in your life. All right, I have two new products to show you guys. They are the Buxom Pillow Pout Creamy Plumping Lip Powder. I have been obsessed with these lately, you guys. Again, I have a much more in-depth review. If you guys want me to, I'll go ahead and link that right up here for you guys if you want to go check that out. My two favorite colors have been Soft Whisper and Cozy Up. Soft Whisper I actually have in the middle of my lips right now, and oh my god, I love it. I've been obsessed with applying Soft Whisper this way, as well as a lot of the other Pillow Pout colors also. I've been doing like a layer of liquid lipstick around my lips, and then the Pillow Pout I'll put in the middle. I love the way my lips look in these. My lips look so freaking plump and beautiful whenever I use these, and they're just really great toppers. If you don't feel like wearing a lipstick or a liquid lipstick on your lips, these are a great alternative. You barely feel them all day long. They're super comfortable. They're very long lasting. They're such a cool idea, you know? I just think they're such a cool idea. I've been waiting for something like this to come out, and I'm so excited that Buxom came out with these. I've been really loving these, especially these two colors I have been using non-stop. And then the last product I have to show you guys, this lip gloss completely took over my summer. Everyone has been borrowing this lip gloss from me. Every time I wear this lip gloss, everyone asks me, oh my god, what lip gloss are you wearing? Because it's honestly that fantastic and beautiful. It is the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Bellini. It's just this really beautiful peachy nudie gloss. This is the only gloss I have been using literally all summer long. All throughout Greece, this was the lip gloss I was using. All throughout Greece, everyone was borrowing this lip gloss from me, and I heard so many good things about this color, so as soon as I got it in the mail, I was like, I was so freaking excited, and it did not disappoint. Their lip glosses are my all-time favorite lip gloss formula. It lasts all day long on the lips. Their formula is so comfortable. It's not sticky. It doesn't start to get that tacky, gross feeling. They have a nice minty feeling to the lips. And then they're also very plumping, which I really love in lip products for myself. And yeah, you guys, that was it. I mean, aside from like my new wig that I just got that I've been obsessing over, it's on Amazon, so just look up blue wig on Amazon. It's like literally the first thing that pops up. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this favorites video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. They make... Oh, damn it. You make me feel like a natural woman. My next favorite for this month, you guys, it blew me away. It blew me away. This is probably one... Yeah, I got problems.